Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. I hope you are doing well today. Today, our special guest is Ethan. Welcome, Ethan. Thank you, Sarah. I am happy to be here. Are you ready for some questions?
Yes, I am ready. What is your name? My name is Ethan. That's a nice name. Thank you.
How old are you? I am 10 years old. Do you like being 10? Yes, I do. Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like it very much.
What grade are you in?
I am in 5th grade.
Do you enjoy school?
Yes, I enjoy school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Is that early?
Yes, it is.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you like breakfast?
Yes, I love breakfast.
What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is science. Why do you like science? Because it is interesting. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books.
Anything else?
I also like soccer.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework first.
Then what do you do?
Then I play with my friends.
What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. That's delicious. Yes, I love it. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes,
I have one sister. Is she younger than you?
Yes, she is.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like playing soccer.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is very fun.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
Because I want to help people.
What do you do when you feel worried?
I talk to my mother.
Does she help you?
Yes, she always helps me.
How does your father help you when you have a problem?
My father listens to me carefully.
What does he tell you?
He tells me to stay calm and never give up.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family makes me happy.
That is wonderful.
Yes, I love my family very much. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and drawing pictures.
That sounds creative.
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jack.
Why do we need a best friend?
A best friend helps us and makes us happy.
Have you ever cried for something?
Yes, I have.
What happened?
I cried when my grandmother was sick.
If you could change one thing in the world, what would it be?
I would help people who do not have enough food.
Why is that important?
Because everyone deserves a good life.
What is the biggest lesson you have learned?
I learned that honesty is very important.
Who taught you that?
My parents taught me that.
If you could meet anyone in the world, who would it be?
I would like to meet a famous scientist.
What would you ask them?
I would ask how they became successful.
What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is losing my family
Why do you feel that way?
because my family is very important to me.
What is the best advice your parents gave you?
They told me to always be kind.
Do you follow that advice?
Yes, I try my best every day.
What does success mean to you?
Success means doing my best.
Is success only about money?
No, success is also about being happy.
What do you think is the meaning of life? I think it means being happy and helping others. That's a beautiful answer. Thank you, Sarah. What advice would you give to other children?
Always be kind and never give up.
That's wonderful advice.
Thank you.
What is more important, being smart or being kind?
Being kind is more important.
Why do you think so?
Because kindness makes people happy.
If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
I would be more confident
Why?
because confidence helps in life.
If you could have dinner with anyone, who would it be?
I would choose my grandfather.
Why him?
Because I miss him and love his stories.
What is one thing you wish adults understood?
Children have feelings too.
Can you explain that?
We want adults to listen to us.
What do you want people to remember about you?
I want people to remember my kindness.
That's a wonderful answer.
Thank you, Sarah.
What is the most important thing in life?
I think family is the most important thing
Why do you think that?
because family always supports us.
What would you do if you could go back in time?
I would spend more time with my grandparents
Why would you do that?
because they taught me many good things.
What is the funniest thing you have ever done?
I wore my shirt inside out at school all day.
Really? Did anyone tell you?
Yes, everyone laughed, including me.
Thank you for joining us today, Ethan. Thank you for inviting me. We learned many wonderful things today.
I had a great time.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.